welcome to PolyBitz. This is going to be a quick video doing things a bit more differently now, where I'll actually be taking items that I received from Amazon for free just to give my honest review. And one of the first products I've gotten from them is the A2C phone case. So you can see this here on my screen. This is for the iPhone Pro Max 15. It is one of the magnetic cases, so it's got a little clip on the back, which you can kind of see in the diagram here. And we're just going to go through a quick unboxing, try it out, and see what we think of it. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So, box itself is more so kind of what you'd see from like the same style of screen protectors in that. It's more or less a standard box. Gives you, I guess, all what you really need on it. It's kind of nice, though. It comes with a nice little pouch. You can see here, it comes for the case. Not sure what I'd use it for afterwards. Maybe if I'm traveling or something, it might come in use for some other things. But here's the case now is also in another little sleeve. We got a piece of foam, keeps everything in shape. And here's the case itself. So this is the inside of the case. Here's the back, and then I guess this is the clip that comes out. It doesn't rotate, which I've seen some of the other ones that rotate. So I guess you can sit it this way, flip it that way, and have it stand up there as well, which seems to work all right. And then I guess that's supposed to be where the magnet goes. I don't know if I have anything magnetic that I can try and stick to it. Yeah, not super strong, but I guess it is what it is typically. I guess it would be more inside for the magnets, inside that loop there. But this is the case. So let's see how this fits on my phone. So here's my iPhone 15. Mind the broken protectors on the back here. But let's pop off my case here. It's been a while, so this phone's probably super dirty. So this is the case that I took off. Same kind of setup. It looks like it has magnets around it as well, but I have nothing to stand up or not, so this is definitely an upgrade for my phone. The feeling of it overall feels pretty nice. I hope that it doesn't fade, so maybe I'll have to do an update sometime. The edges here and everything feels pretty good, but it's kind of got that kind of soft rubberized feeling, which I found in some of my other cases over time wears off, and by over time I mean within a few months or so. So we'll see how that goes. But let's check fit on my phone. So just kind of plop it in here, squish it over, and it seems to fit all right. Still has that kind of high quality, sturdy feel to it. Kind of reminds me of some of the, I don't remember who's the Defenders or not, but the other cases that came from OtterBox that were really popular back in the day. They had a slim version, and that's kind of what this feels like. So it seems all right. It's got the nice bulky corners on it, which is nice for someone like me. I work on my car a lot, and therefore I drop my phone or set it on things that it falls off of quite a bit. So this should give it some extra protection. I'm looking at this as well. The ring itself seems kind of flimsy, but I guess we'll have to see over time how it actually holds up. So let's see here. Just stick it on here. Seems to stand up pretty well. Move this to where y'all can see it. And then the idea is that you can have it on its side as well if you're watching videos that way. Yeah, it seems to do the job. You know, can't really say anything that bad about it. It seems pretty sturdy. Seems like it feels well. I guess the overall test will be over time, how it stands up to the abuse of somebody who works on vehicles a lot. But, yeah, overall, pretty satisfied with it. So, again, this is the A2C phone case. This is for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the black model. Looks like they also come in other colors here. It just lists black. This product is made in China, but designed in California, as is many Apple products themselves. Not saying this is an Apple product, but it's designed for the Apple phone or iPhone. But yeah, it looks like they make it for the iPhone 15 Pro, Pro Max, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max as well, all in black. And I'll just show you the back of the box here. This is what you get. So I do have a magnetic stand coming for it for my car. We'll see how that holds up. So it's supposed to be ultra strong, MagSafe snapback. So I guess the snapback's kind of what does it. It allows you to do the rotation, stuff like that as well, without this. And I guess I really don't need this part on the back to rotate, because you can just stand it and it moves far enough that it will stand up either side or on its side as well. So portrait or landscape. So it seems to be just fine. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good device. We'll see how it holds up over time, but if I were to give it out of 5 stars, I'd probably give it a 4, only just because the feeling of it feels interesting. Kind of softish, and I kind of think I'd want a bit more grippy. I feel like this is going to slide off a lot of things. But other than that, it's a good case, and some people like that feeling anyway, so it's kind of just personal preference. So yeah, 4 to 5 stars, solid product. We'll see how it stands up over time, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, if anybody has any questions about this or thinking about getting a phone case with a clip-back mag safe style case, it says non-slip pattern, but I guess that's for the sides, not the back. But yeah, anyways, I'll keep you posted how it goes. If you're interested, I will put the link in the description of this video, and feel free to follow along and subscribe and check out any other products that I got coming your way. Got a lot of cool things coming in that I'll be reviewing for you guys. Everything from electronics, computer parts, gaming systems, things for gaming devices such as a Nintendo Switch and that. And we'll just see what we have and talk about it, open it up, and see what we think. This will be my honest opinions, not paid for my opinion at all, just products come along and I give my unbiased view on what I think of them. So that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for joining in on PolyBitz. And until next time, stay tuned and see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.